Hello students, this is Miss Katie, that vegan teacher. If you ever hear carnists trying to convince you that grass-fed or pasture-raised cows are somehow ethical to eat, share this video with them, where we learn 5 reasons why there's no right way to do the wrong thing. And if you find value in my work, thank you for pressing the like button, subscribing to my channel, and sharing it with others.
Let's sing! Never eat cows, not even grass-fed ones, 'cause cows are friends, not food. Cows are friends, not food. All good people must strive to be vegan, because animals are friends, not food.
1. Environmental impact. According to a study published in Global Change Biology, eating grass-fed cattle produces significantly more methane, a potent greenhouse gas, than grain-fed cattle. This is because grass-fed cows take longer to reach slaughter weight and digest cellulose-rich grass, which results in higher methane emissions over their lifespan. This makes eating any animals less environmentally friendly than being vegan, because eating a plant-exclusive diet means contributing to a much lower carbon footprint. It's also wrong to force cows to be pregnant and then to kill them when they never did anything wrong to deserve this.
Never eat cows, not even grass-fed ones, 'cause cows are friends, not food. Cows are friends, not food. All good people must strive to be vegan, because animals are friends, not food.
2. Land and resource inefficiency. According to research published in Nature Sustainability, it's better to be vegan because grass-fed beef is highly inefficient in terms of land use. The study found that producing plant-based foods requires far fewer resources and can feed more people per unit of land. It concluded that if the world shifted towards plant-based diets, global land use for agriculture would be reduced by over 75%. Which would also dramatically reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Conclusion? Be vegan. Stop breeding billions of cows. Instead, allow them to gradually and naturally phase out over time.
Never eat cows, not even grass-fed ones, 'cause cows are friends, not food. Cows are friends, not food. All good people must strive to be vegan, because animals are friends, not food.
3. Cows should not be enslaved. According to a study published in Applied Animal Behavior Science, cows, like cats and dogs, are sentient beings capable of feeling pain, distress, and pleasure. The study observed that cows show clear signs of distress when separated from calves or confined. They want to live. They don't want to die. This means there's no ethical way to use them as commodities in the meat and dairy industries, because they don't consent to this exploitation. Modern farming practices can be likened to slavery, as cows are denied autonomy over their lives and bodies. If you're against slavery and using others against their will, you're already vegan in your heart.
Never eat cows, not even grass-fed ones, 'cause cows are friends, not food. Cows are friends, not food. All good people must strive to be vegan, because animals are friends, not food.
4. Health concerns. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, consuming red meat, even if it is grass-fed, is associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease due to high levels of saturated fats and cholesterol. The study showed that replacing red meat with plant-based proteins significantly lowers the risk of coronary heart disease. Additionally, the International Agency for Research on Cancer, the IARC, has classified red meat as a probable carcinogen, increasing the risk of cancer. This science-backed evidence shows that a vegan diet is better for both the environment and human health. Conclusion? Being vegan is a moral necessity for any sane, kind-hearted person. So, what are you waiting for?
Never eat cows, not even grass-fed ones, 'cause cows are friends, not food. Cows are friends, not food. All good people must strive to be vegan, because animals are friends, not food.
5. Grass-fed does not mean freedom. According to a report by the Humane Society of the United States, the label grass-fed does not guarantee that animals were raised in open pastures. Many grass-fed cows are still tied up inside, in feedlots, which is cruel because it prevents them from expressing their natural behaviors. A study published in Frontiers in Veterinary Science highlights that even in pasture-based systems, overcrowding, lack of adequate shelter, and other stressors are common. Therefore, the grass-fed label does not ensure that animals live a natural, free life. Conclusion? There's no right way to do the wrong thing. Using animals for profits is cruel and unnecessary. Sing with me.
Never eat cows, not even grass-fed ones, 'cause cows are friends, not food. Cows are friends, not food. All good people must strive to be vegan, because animals